Getting close. Switch panel in. ECU, power bus, fuse boxes in. Kind of a pain in the ass because the firewall isn't like a flat surface, so I've bought like mounts for everything. You can see the fuse box is on this metal mount. Some of them are like partially mounted, 2 bolts in. The ECU one's done. This is the power strip. So when you take this off, this is all the positive cables. So you got your fuse box, power here. This isn't fully tight. Starter, alternator. This is completely standalone basically. So once power is going to this guy, and there's really just one wire I have to add here. This has a, this does fan, fuel pump, 2 spares, which hook up to these switches. Fuel pump and fan, these are just going to be overrides basically, stock. They already sort that for you. Obviously the fan and fuel pump will run when they're meant to anyway. So yeah, it's getting pretty close. Basically need to make a couple battery cables, for which I have a wiring box here and all the stuff. There's the thick guy. And yeah, wiring on this side needs some like cable tying and finishing up, but it's pretty much there.